If you want to change a saved address in Chrome, whether that's a home address, shipping address, or any other autofill contact info, this video will walk you through it step by step. It's quick, easy, and once you know where to look, you can update your details in just a few clicks. So, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main options. From that menu, click Settings. That will take you into the Chrome settings area where you can manage everything from privacy and the security to autofill and passwords. On the left side of the settings page, find autofill and passwords and click it. This section is where Chrome stores your saved personal information, including addresses and other contact details. After that, click Contact Info. This is the part of Chrome that contains the saved address entries tied to autofill. Now you should see your saved addresses listed on the screen. Find the address you want to update. Next to that address, click the three dots icon. A small menu will appear, and from there, click Edit. Chrome will now open the saved address details so you can make changes. Go through each field carefully and update whatever needs to be corrected. You can change the name, street address, city, zip code, phone number, or any other information that appears in the saved contact profile. Take your time here and make sure every detail is accurate, especially if you use this address for shipping, billing, or autofill on websites. Once you've finished updating the information, click Save. Chrome will store the new address immediately, and the updated details will now be used for autofill going forward. That means the next time you fill out a form online, Chrome will pull in the revised address instead of the old one. And that's it. You've successfully changed the saved address in Chrome. It only takes a minute once you know where the settings are, and it's a great way to keep your autofill information up to date. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.